What's going on? I'm Sam, and today I'm going to be making a ammo can bike to challenge Peters. So I got this bike like a year and a half ago from my buddy who found it in the trash. I haven't ever tried to start it, but I did buy a carburetor kit for it sometime like a year ago. I just never got the chance to put it on. So first things first, I'm going to put some starter fluid in it and see if it at least fires. If so, this carburetor should be all it needs. Oh, there it goes. Valve. Oh, dang. Ooh, my shin. Heck yeah, all it needs is a carb. The main reason I bought the carb kit was just because I didn't have an air filter for it. Wait, do I have this part? Okay, keep that on there. Actually, it did give me this. Might as well change it out. Oh, the old gasket's still on there. We'll let it ride. Oh no, this actually doesn't fit. So the bolt hole spacing for this is slightly different than stock. We're gonna reuse this old piece. It has the plate, 2 gaskets, and this standoff. I don't really know why it has this standoff, but it was on here, so it's going back on. Okay, oh man, I hope this lines up. Okay, good. The carburetor looks compatible. Don't need this air breather, but I do need these screws. So it looks like this guy just has a mechanical choke, which is pretty cool. So that would go right behind here, and then in front of the carburetor. And I actually don't need these screws because it gave me new ones, which is good because they are slightly longer. Got to get the right gasket. Looks like that's pretty universal. The new carburetor on here. And then just need some fuel lines. One here. One here. I might have to replace those in a bit. Pop the throttle cable out of the old carb. Probably should have done this first. See if I can pop this into the new one. Oh yeah, there she is. Needs an air filter. Oh, there we go. That seems good enough. Oh, I forgot to put the oil in. Okay, I got my 25-to-1 oil, which I don't know how to use these fancy new containers. Should be enough to cover the pickup, and we might be able to start it. Really hope I don't have to do much tuning. Just choke this, prime it. Okay, it's got fuel. Maybe we keep choke open. And the shut-off button actually works. Oh, that looks good. And, ooh, no. I'll have to use my little cordless air compressor later to get a more controlled fill up. I don't want to overfill these right now and blow them. Okay. This will be my first test ride. Needs a little bit of carb tuning, but that's okay. And so I guess there's no... Oh yeah, the kickstand broke off on this. That's a little unfortunate. So this thing doesn't have great brakes. It kind of has brakes in the form of I can feel it slowing me down a little bit, but in all other purposes, they're not there at all. So I have to be a little careful, but I messed with the carb a little bit and I got it running so much better. So I'm gonna just send it and show you guys how fast it is now. It probably could be adjusted for a little more torque, but it's starting to get that high end speed. These things really don't have that much torque anyway. What's going on now? That is awesome. I had to be a little careful when I was coming by because there's some gravel here that wiped me out on the one wheel last year. But this thing is so cool. I need to add the ammo box so that I officially have an ammo box scooter. There it is. So mine definitely doesn't look the coolest, but it will be the fastest, I think. So I'm just gonna wait for tomorrow and I can't wait to see their reaction. Ready to race.
Where's your motorcycle? I don't see it.
In my truck.
All right, let's see. Whip it out.
I think. 3, 2, 1, go! The no brakes thing is pretty awful. Peter's was probably the one that was built most in the spirit of a true ammo box scooter, and it was the smallest one there, so that was pretty cool. Dave's was not too bad, except I didn't like how you had to run to get a running start on it. But it handled a lot better than Peter's. Peter's was kind of hard to balance on. And for 30 minutes of work getting this scooter running, I'll say I won hands down. I'm just going to claim that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Hey, what do you think of this scary loud scooter, huh? What do you think? Did I win? Was I the fastest? You're the fastest. You raced me on it earlier and you won. You're faster than my scooter, huh? Huh?